wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best teeth whiteners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. You can polish your smile without using chemicals thanks to the Miswak Club, as they're an all-natural solution derived from arak trees grown in pesticide-free soil. When you chew on the end of the stick, bristles appear that can act as a toothbrush. Each piece lasts for up to 3 weeks and they come with cases. However, note that they will go moldy if left out. At number 9, you wouldn't guess it from the name, but the dirt will leave you feeling fresh and clean. It's a paleo-friendly powder that uses bentonite clay, organic cinnamon and baking soda to gently lift stains off the surface of your teeth. It's a fluoride-free recipe that's good for preventing tartar buildup too, but it clumps in the jar. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Dental Duty Professional 3D includes 28 packs of white strips designed to stay put once you apply them. Applications only last half an hour and there's very little pain for those with particularly sensitive mouths. These are latex and paraben-free and have a pleasant taste. However, they can be tough to remove. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for teeth whiteners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Philips Zoom Night White is made with amorphous calcium phosphate, which simultaneously protects the user from pain and helps protect enamel from degradation. It should produce visible results in as little as a week, though you do have to use it for hours at a time. You get 3 treatments per pack, but note that trays are sold separately, and it may irritate your gums. Moving up our list to number 6. For an experience that won't result in any extra sensitivity, Finevine Organics powder is made from activated coconut charcoal, which gently removes stains without stripping away enamel, so freshening up your smile won't leave you in pain. It lasts for 3 to 6 months and there are 2 flavor options. However, it gets messy easily. Halfway up our list at number 5, the ismile California kit utilizes a 35% carbamide peroxide gel and a combination of red and blue light to brighten up your teeth. It can be a slightly painful process, but the set comes with a useful desensitizing pen. Treatments take roughly 15 minutes and it's rechargeable via USB, but the mouthguard is too big for some. At number 4, the Snow Original All-in-One is one of the few options that's safe for people with braces, so even if you're in the middle of straightening your teeth, you can still brighten them. The kit's covered by a 5-year warranty. It comes with an extra strength serum and an LED wand with a long handle. However, it is a little on the pricey side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, you may be able to remove up to 14 years of stains with the Crest 3D White Luxe. They feature an advanced seal technology that prevents the strips from slipping off, and the set includes an intensive 1-hour treatment for fast results. You can drink while wearing them and they mold easily to your teeth. They require just 30-minute sessions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for teeth whiteners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you like the idea of using a charcoal powder but don't want it getting everywhere when you open the container, the Cali White Activated might be a good choice. It's a simple toothpaste that's easy to use without making a mess. It has a nice minty flavor and the recipe is vegan. It's made in the United States. And taking the top spot on our list, the Auraglow Accelerator light can provide impressive results thanks to a combination of gel and light treatments. It uses 5 LED bulbs to help break up stains and has a built-in timer to let you know when you're finished. The gel is gluten-free and kosher, and the batteries in the lamp last a long time. It doesn't feel bulky in your mouth. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for teeth whiteners, or simply click beneath this video.